to my channel. Today we are reviewing two palettes here. They are Miami palettes by Shaina B. I'm reading this like from the screen, so if I'm reading it wrong, sorry. But that is that. I got these through Ipsy. This was in my Ipsy box. These are the eyeshadows there, and of course I will be doing first impressions of all these products. And this is the blush palette, and of course I'll be trying that as well. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those. And if you are new to my channel, these videos are basically where I try all the shades that I can in the palettes to just get a feel of the formula and how they apply. That's pretty much all this is for. First impression, everything on my face. That's it. Anyways, I'm going to go swatch these and I'll be right back. Okay, so they are swatched here. This top part is the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow has 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. The shimmer is Heat, Everglade, Porta Prince, and Holler Over Nude. Okay, this one's Cafecito, South Peach, Winewood, and Biscannon. I don't know. Anyways, and then the shades down here is Guava Glow, Sugar Bomb, and Brickell, and Rosa. So this is kind of more, it's more of a contour color for my skin, but we'll see what we can do. Is it all contour? Oh, so it's highlight, illuminator, and blush. So this is highlight and blush, and so I'm gonna try to work with it that way. But anyways, let's go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. The first shadow I am going to use is going to be this one right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with South Peach. Okay, so now I am going to go in with Winewood, this one right here. Now I'm going in with Cafecito. So now we're going to get into the shimmers. I've got to find my brush again. Okay, I am going to go in with Everglade, this shiny one here. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go with this Porta Princess. Yeah, that one right there. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this Hall Over Nude. That one right there. It's a shimmer. Okay, so the last color I haven't used is Heat, and I'm just going to dab that in the center of the middle of the lid, and then a little bit in the middle under the eye. Yeah. Alright, so I successfully have all the eyeshadow shades on. Now we're moving to eyeliner. I've got the Cargo eyeliner for the bottom and the Josephine for the top, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. to mascara, we got Mile High by Wonder Beauty. Okay, so eyes are done. Moving on to this blush and highlight thing. Okay, I'm probably going to start with this color, and then I'm going to go into this color for the blush. I hope that's the way it was intended, because that's what I'm doing. Alright, so now we are moving into the highlights. We are going to use the Sugar Bomb and Guava Glow. I think I'm going to start with the Guava Glow first. That is done. Now we are doing lip, and for lip I have got Fenty Beauty, and this is in shade, let's see if I can read it, What's Your Number? And so it's just a gold color. There's my finished look. Let's go ahead and talk about the palettes. So with this, I did experience quite a bit of fallout, which it may bother you, it may not. That's just a personal preference thing, I find. But as far as application, it feels incredibly creamy and smooth and went on very well and blended very easily. So in that regard, I think it's really nice. I do feel like the colors, even though they're all basically browns, that they're diverse enough that you can create multiple looks. Like, I feel like you can tell that there's 8 shades on my eyes, when sometimes you have 8 in a palette and the colors are so similar you can't really define them, and I feel like these are definable. I like the fact these ones down here are matte, these ones down up here are shimmer. It just makes it easier to create different looks, so very happy about that. The highlight blush palette, this shade right here is extremely sheer. It was really hard to even put on my really white skin, so that's something you have to keep in mind. This does not look as dark on the skin as it does here. I found that was the one that actually showed up. So these blushes are very sheer, but this one is like, it's almost non-existent. So I don't know. I feel like this particular shade needs some work. As far as the highlights up here, they are both very beautiful. This one has a very nice sheen to it, very nice sunny look. So I do like the highlights. I think those are great. But other than that, that is it of these palettes. Let me know your thoughts on them. I'm very curious. I would love to know. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.